Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time here, please like and subscribe and hit the notification button that as soon as we upload another video, you will be the first to know. Today is a very special day because one of my subscribers asked us to teach her how to cook stew peas. And as you can see, here is a pigtail. Because of the amount of salt that is in it, we have to boil it in order to remove some of the salt, that it can be healthy to eat. We also have some oxtail here, which we season also because we want to make sure that when it is in the stew peas, it is very tasty. And over here we have our peas boiling. Then after everything is cooked, then we can combine them together. Okay, peas. Let's go. Now that the peas is almost cooked, we're gonna add some oxtail to it that both of them can cook together. And as you can see, the pigtail is still cooking, that we can get rid of some more of the salt. Okay, so now that the pigtail is cooked, and also remember that you have to cook it and change the water maybe 1 or 2 times just to make sure that enough salt is removed, and leave just a little bit that it's still tasty. Okay, so right now we're gonna add it to the peas. As you can see, pot is boiling right here. Just give it a little stir, and then we're gonna add our coconut milk. And we're gonna give it a stir. Now we're gonna add our seasoning. We use half of an onion. Gonna add 1 pepper and some thyme. And we also have some scallion. We're gonna cut it in small pieces. And we're gonna add this to our stew peas. gonna also add some all-purpose adobo seasoning. Along with a little black pepper. And some allspice grounded seasoning. I'm gonna give it a little stir. And we're gonna allow that to continue to cook. We're also gonna add some small dumpling. We call them spinners. It is made out of flour. We're gonna add that to our stew piece. Right now we're gonna check our stew peas. Wow, look at that, guys. Just bubbling. The right texture. Look at that. You can smell the aroma. Man, I wish it was here. This is smelling so great. No wonder people love stew peas. It is an extraordinary dish. Okay, so we're gonna give it a few more minutes and allow it to cook some more, and then our stew peas will be finished and ready to eat. In the meantime, our rice is cooking, and so we just have to wait a little bit more, and then you will see the final touch. So right now, our stew peas, we're gonna check our stew peas to see if it's ready. Wow, look at that, guys. Our stew peas is ready. It's ready to eat. Smelling so good. Let us check the rice. And our rice is ready also. Looking so beautiful. So the only thing left for us to do now is to see if the looks or the smell match the taste. Okay, so we're gonna add some rice here. Wow. We're gonna add some of our stew peas. Wow, look at that. Wow. This is looking so great. look at this, guys. Look at this, guys. Wow. Stew peas and rice. All you stew peas lovers, this is how you do it. It might take a little time, but at the end of it all, it's worth the wait. And I know you will enjoy delicious stew peas. It's not so hard. Now that you have seen us prepare the stew peas, you know that you can follow the same example and you can enjoy stew peas with your family. If you enjoy this video, please like and subscribe and hit the notification button, that whenever we upload another video, you will be the first to know. I'm gonna taste a little bit. Man, this is so great. Wow. Okay guys, that's it. Bye.